아, 이거 바나나를 직접 기르시는 걸 이거 공짜로 이거 가져가라고 하시네요. 그래서 숨겨야겠어. 하나. 바이바이. 아, 땡큐.
Maybe it's best if you take.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit here. Yes.
I'm gonna say take a no, no.
Can I grab my things here? Yes. Okay. I'll be okay maybe, yes. Yeah. 자, 이렇게 투어를 가게 됐습니다. Yes. So, Claire, can you briefly say what we are doing today?
Okay. We are going to the tree, and then to the waterfall, and snorkeling, and to another waterfall.
Oh, yeah.
And have lunch.
Vegan lunch,
Yes.
which is the most important thing.
Yes.
Ria, what about you? Are you excited?
Yes.
이게 보기에는 불편해 보여도 앞으로 바람을 다 막아주니까 사실 안 좋진 않아요. 뭐 어쩌겠어. 아저씨가 약해. Good morning. 일단은 빅트리로 유명한 곳인데 여기서 뭐 하는지는 모르겠어. 일단 따라왔어. 아, 이런 거. Fish massage. Oh. That's a big one. Once we are here, so you have to try. It's not gonna bite us. It's okay. 아니, 아니 큰 애들은 무는 게 느낌이 좀 센데? 야, you can feel that the big one, 이거 큰 애들은 좀 강하게 물어요. 야, 얘는 좀 이상해. 야, Hi, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine. And you?
Yeah, I'm really good, thank you. Yeah, my friends. Yeah, yes. You wanna say hi to them? Yeah. Easy, man. 20? Okay. But it says 10. Why 20?
22.
So what is the name of this waterfall once again?
Something sea.
Something C? Kambugaya. Yeah, names hard, huh? Careful, guys.
I have to watch out at the shop
Yeah.
since I already fell.
You did? Really? Oh, careful. Oh, sorry to hear that. Awesome. Wow. 와우. 장난 아니네요. 여기가 되게 좋겠는데? 카부가샤이 폴스.
You want to jump in the swing?
Yeah, let's do that.
What do you want? We can maybe go.
Okay, go and come back. Okay. How are you, boys? Nice to meet you. Yeah. 우리 이렇게 엄청 맑진 않아요. 우리 되게 맑을 줄 알았는데 되게 안 맑아. 마닐린 미미's mommy and 아부 뿌윳. 야, 바이오 뿌윳. 가족을 소개시켜주시네요. So no Korean here. No Korean. Okay. Are you Korean? Ah, Manilin Korean. Yeah, hi, kimchi.
Sir, ini single, all.
Sorry?
Single.
Single?
No.
But I'm too old. I'm too old.
No, very old.
Claire? So we can go anytime you want. Let's do snorkeling more. One second, I can't believe you, man. So how many kids do you have once again? You said you have 12. Really? You're joking, right? Yeah.
You are single?
I'm single? What do you think?
I think you are single.
You think I'm single? Why? Because I'm so ugly?
Look very young.
Because I'm so ugly to have a girlfriend, you think? So ugly? Ugly? Yeah, man, you're so bad. Am I so ugly? Really? Thank you.
No, handsome, handsome.
Okay.
Hi.
You have a girlfriend?
No married.
I have.
5 kids.
You know marriage for 5 kids? Wow, envy you, man. I wish I can do that. What are you married?
Yeah.
Oh, everybody has kids here.
10 wife.
You have 10 wives? Wow. Respect, respect. I envy you, man. How did you do that? How did you make 10 wives? Because you're so handsome?
Everywhere, if I saw girl, run like a chicken.
Okay. Yeah, I want to do that too. Yes. How many kids?
Now 2 kids.
Why? But you have 10 wives, why 2 kids?
20.
What?
20.
20 kids.
Yeah.
Wow. You can make a soccer team. Wow. Envy you, man.
Where are you from?
I'm from South Korea.
South Korea.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Ay, kang ano, your president, Kim Jong-un.
No, there's North one. There's North one.
Nice-
Rock him,
nice
man.
haircut.
You like him? Nice haircut.
No.
Okay.
Oh, very handsome. You are so handsome.
You are handsome.
You are very
You got
handsome.
10 wives. Wow.
You got 20 wife soon.
No, okay, thank you. I wish. Ready, get ready. So when they come, just go run like chicken and then make them 11th. Your 11th wife. You? Why?
If I
Why?
run like.
So see, they are my boss.
you.
Yeah, see you guys.
See you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome
Thank you
to
for
my
last time.
channel. Subscribe.
20. 여기도 무슨 독일 사람이 운영하는 건데 여기 있는 유일한 비건 레스토랑이라고 해서 또 비건으로 먹으러 왔습니다. Is that tofu?
Yes.
Oh yeah, nice. But this is not so expensive for a vegan restaurant. Don't you think so? It's good. 맛은 있는데 그냥 콩 같아요. 콩. 이건 고기 같지 않고 그냥 콩 같아요. 힘들게 사는구나 비건들. You still can do the snorkeling, right?
No, I don't think so.
Really? Oh, it was pretty tough.
Tired?
You are?
Yeah, you not?
Yeah.
You too.
But thank God we got here. Okay. And the weather got better.
Yeah.
Nice.
Do we go from the shore? No boat, right? Because the boat would be extra 300.
I don't think so. I don't think we have to. 두 명당 한 명이 무조건 가이드가 붙어야 된다 그래가지고 어쩔 수 없이 우리가 2명 가이드를 붙이게 됐어요. Nice. You're finally here. How do you feel, Leah? Good. Nice. Why? Don't worry, you're pretty. 날씨 완전 미쳤네, 미쳤어. Oh, nice to meet you guys.
didn't drink one water. I don't know how.
You just breathe into here.
Breathe, but still
You go under. If you go under,
Yeah, of course. Even when I don't go under,
Really?
I feel like I.
So where are you guys from?
We are from Israel. And you?
Israel. Ah, nice. I'm from Korea to Germany.
yeah. Can I take
Germany?
this one?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, only her. I'm gonna take a picture of her.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
it's okay. Yeah, thank you for your kindness.
Yeah.
I'm not really a picture person, so. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you guys are traveling together? That's cool. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, first Instagram. For Instagram. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I will just take a lot and then
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah. Okay. Any different pose?
No.
Yeah.
Okay. How do they look?
Look like this mostly,
Okay.
and then there is a wide version too.
Oh yeah, like the
Which you
wide.
do like better?
Wider.
Oh, wider. Okay, wider. Okay.
To the tree, 4,000, 600 years old tree. But
Oh yeah. Do you want also pictures? We can.
You? Yeah, I will take a picture of it. Yeah. So, do you want which size better?
Like almost with.
Portrait or landscape? This?
You're the photographer.
Okay.
We-
But you're
if
not.
it's not good. We shoot you up.
But you're not using Instagram, so okay.
Yeah, I think it looks very nice.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm so professional now.
Yeah, he
3,
really is.
2, 1. Okay. Any different pose?
It's okay.
Oh, one more time. Wider version. Wider.
Wide version.
Wider.
Wide
Yeah.
angle.
Wide
It
angle.
looks-
Wide angle.
Yeah.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
You took so many.
Yeah. So that they can choose.
Yeah.
Have you heard of it?
Didn't remember.
Have you heard of South Korea?
Actually, not very much.
Okay.
I only
Sure,
heard
no,
about
sure, no,
North
it's-
Oh,
Korea.
okay. Then may I ask you what you know about Korea? Can I?
Like other things, it's
Just
okay.
anything's okay.
Very well.
I
It
think,
can be silly. Doesn't matter.
Maybe Kamigun. It's also a very small island.
Mostly
No
bad
tourists.
things.
Ah. Oh, such yes.
Now, because
It's okay. It's okay.
most of the places we
War
went,
and
Yeah.
bad
Yeah,
thing
true.
about
Same.
the
But the weather's
government.
Ah,
How
yeah.
It
they
rained a little bit
behave
today,
to
but-
the.
Or Mr. Kim. All bad things you heard is about North Korea, not South Korea.
Ah, yeah. I meant.
Yeah. Yeah.
oh,
Yeah.
it's a lot.
Everything's done now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. 그렇게 좋아. 그렇게 좋아. 아이고. 와, 야, 너 발피하 그러다 너 오늘. 야, 내가 먹을 거 없어. 이거 직접 파밍 하시는 건데 이거 오늘 여정에서 주셨어요 먹으라고. 색깔이 우리가 아는 색깔이 많이 다르네요. 되게 진하다. 고구마 같다 고구마. 뭐 어떡하라고. 안 그래 이거 먹으면 안 돼. 이거 먹으면 아파 이거 먹으면 이거 먹으면 아프다고. I'm sorry guys, Urban. Can she eat this? No, she's not right. Yeah, so 안 돼. 근데 이거 진짜 기분 탓인지 모르겠는데 진짜 약간 고구마 느낌이 나요. Well, one more time, thank you guys. It was a really good time. Yes. I always yes. When I make something natural like this, while I was really tired, I always forget to film. Anyways, So you're going to Apple Island tomorrow, maybe, and then you're also going to.
I don't know.
I'm the same. So everybody knows. No plan.
I'll be stuck here.
Yes. Right. Yes. And then just find window, like how I wanted to be a lead or something like that. So it's really complicated and something. So it just made me,